Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ratu Sayabrina Putri with NPM 2341183 from Management Class 23A. I will share content about bank and non-bank financial institutions which will definitely be useful. No need for further details, let's get started. Material about bank and non-bank financial institutions. Understanding financial institutions. Financial institutions are institutions that operate in the financial services sector, whose task is to collect funds from the public and channel them back to various economic activities. In Indonesia, financial institutions are divided into two main categories: bank financial institutions and non-bank financial institutions. Bank financial institutions. Definition and functions of bank financial institutions are institutions that have a license to accept deposits from the public and provide loans. They function as intermediaries between parties who have surplus funds, savers, and parties who need funds, borrowers. Banks also offer various products such as savings accounts, deposits, credit, and other banking services. Types of banks. Commercial banks. These banks serve the wider community with basic banking products such as savings, deposits, and credit. Examples of commercial banks in Indonesia include Bank Mandiri, BRI, Bank Rakyat Indonesia, and BNI, Bank Negara Indonesia. Sharia banks. These banks operate based on the principles of Islamic Sharia, which prohibits usury, interest. The products offered are usually in accordance with Islamic law. Regulations. Bank financial institutions are regulated by the Financial Services Authority, OJK, in Indonesia. OJK is responsible for ensuring financial system stability and consumer protection in banking transactions. Non-bank financial institutions. Definition and functions. Non-bank financial institutions are institutions that do not have a license as a bank but still provide financial services to the public. They focus on certain market segments or certain types of services. Examples of non-bank financial institutions. Insurance companies provide financial protection through life, health, and property insurance products. Securities company assists individuals and companies in investing in the capital market. Pension fund manages pension funds to provide benefits to participants after retirement. Microfinance institutions provide access to financing for small and micro businesses that are not served by banks. Regulation. Although non-bank institutions are not as strictly regulated as banking institutions, they are still under the supervision of the OJK or other relevant institutions to ensure compliance with applicable regulations. Difference between bank and non-bank financial institutions. Although both types of institutions function within the financial services sector, there are some significant differences. License. Only bank financial institutions have an official license to accept deposits from the public. Products and services. Banks offer general banking products such as savings and loans, while non-bank institutions focus more on specific products such as insurance or investments. Regulation. Banking institutions are under the strict supervision of the OJK, while non-banking institutions have looser regulations depending on the type of service. By understanding these two types of institutions, we can better recognize how they contribute to the economy as a whole. That's all I can say. Sorry if there are any shortcomings, I apologize. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.